Welcome! Do you ever wonder who can see your Facebook profile photo? If you're looking to tighten your privacy settings and ensure that only your friends can see your profile picture, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your privacy settings on the Facebook app for Android devices. First, take out your Android phone and open the Facebook app. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Just tap on it to get started. Now, you'll need to tap your profile picture again to view it in full size. This is important because you want to make sure you are editing the right image. Next, tap on See Your Profile Picture to open it. This action will give you a clear view of your profile picture, where you can make those essential privacy adjustments. Look for the three dots located at the top right of your screen. Tapping on these dots will reveal a menu with options to manage your profile photo settings. Select Edit Privacy from the list. Here, you'll be able to specify who gets to see this image. For the ultimate privacy setting, choose Friends to allow only those in your friend list to view your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook profile photo privacy settings to ensure that only your friends can see it. Remember, your online privacy matters, and taking control of your settings is the first step toward maintaining it. Thanks for watching.